Hi, this is Chris Roshnut24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing and showcasing the ELDR bottle. This is high borosilicate glass. It's a glass water bottle. It comes in this faux leather casing, which is cool. It's got a loop right here, and it's got a larger loop right here. So that's nice. So here's the borosilicate glass bottle. You can find this on Amazon. It's got the double enforced bottom right here. It's got a nice cap. Comes off pretty easy. There's a stainless steel top. Has some etchings right there. And then here's the glass bottle itself. It's very nice. It's thick quality. They give you a 100-day warranty on the glass. It's easy to put the cap on and take the cap off. A lot less turns than most bottles of this type, and it fits very nicely back into the faux leather casing. And then here's some more quick details about the bottle and what they offer right here. You can pause the video anytime, take a look at the details. So this is the ELDR Supply 17 ounce 500 milliliter borosilicate glass water bottle. This is 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.